The Cmfh1231-Sv8.5 Festoon Hp 1. High brightness and performance. Equipped with high efficiency LEDs and a professional optical lens design, this bulb delivers up to 150 lumens, more than 3 times the luminous efficiency of traditional festoon bulbs. It is ideal for automotive lighting upgrades requiring powerful, stable illumination. 2. Wide voltage and non-polarity design. Supports a wide range 30 VDC input range and features a non-polarity design, allowing installation in either direction without worrying about positive or negative terminals, making installation faster and easier. 3. Superior heat dissipation and stable output. An integrated high-performance aluminum heatsink at the base ensures effective thermal management, maintaining consistent brightness even in high-temperature or high vibration environments. 4. Energy efficient with strong output. Consumes only 1.3 kW of power while providing strong lighting output, offering significant energy savings without compromising brightness. 5. Wide application range. Suitable for a variety of automotive lighting uses. Interior lights, roof, dome, footwell, trunk lights, license plate lights, auxiliary lights, side marker lights, courtesy lights, etc. 6. Easy installation. Designed to match the size of traditional festoon bulbs for direct plug-and-play replacement with no rewiring or modifications required. Dimensions: width 10 mm, trans length 31 mm. 7. Color options: 6 long OK cool white standard, 2700K warm white soft cozy tone. Custom colors available upon request: red, yellow, green, blue, etc. Nerd. Please confirm the bulb size when model before purchase. Contact us for compatibility inquiries or custom orders.